Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to Martyn Lucas Investor. Well, today the name of the game is Lucid, Overreaction or Not. We'll discuss it live on our show and we'll see how we react to this. There is Lucid right now, down considerably overnight, and we're watching it. So let's get straight into it. If it's your very first time here, welcome. My name is Martyn Lucas and I go live up to 10 hours a day, every trading day that is. And I'm here to help and support people by going live every day and sharing on the screen my real trades, my real money, all of my real money, every single penny of my real money, other than $200, literally, is here on view for you to see. And the purpose of that is to be the most honest, real channel on YouTube, so you can trust what you see here. I only ever say anything that is 100% verifiable, that I've checked. There's no drama, there's no hype or whatever. Everything is real as I see it. And it's what I'm doing with my real money as well. Now, we had somebody come into the show earlier, Skrill Sam. Are you still here, Skrill Sam? Because you asked me a question and I have an answer for you, but I don't think you are here. So Skrill Sam comes back in. I will gladly offer my help. He asked, is there a training course for to do day trading and so on and so forth? I will never do a course, but we have somebody here who is donating a course for free and giving you $100 to invest as well in cash. So very exciting. Ask me about that if you come back in, but of course you're not here, so you never heard any of that, so I don't know why I said it. Anyway, whatever. Let's get straight into our positions and have a look at where we are this morning and welcome our guests on the screen. So there is my main brokerage position, there is my Roth IRA, and there is my overall balance. 51,709. Yesterday we reached the all-time high of 51,800. I've not put any more money in. This is just making money from money. 22 says you missed him, I think. Well, the show was advertised to start before after he came in, so I thought he would wait, and then right on the button, so not to disappoint, I gave an announcement I would start in 10 minutes, and in fact I started in 6. So hopefully I was hoping to catch him, but never mind, I haven't, so we have to move on. Okay, so let's have a look. There's my overall position. And if we scroll down, we are, last night we bought some Lucid. And I'll tell you why I bought Lucid and why I say it's an overreaction. Even though I've always said the car is great, but the company lose money and they can't sell the cars. Which, why would you buy it then? Well, I will explain why I think so and why I bought some and what my next 2 or 3 moves is this morning before I make them. All right. Okay, let's get straight into it and see who was here first of all. Juhu, there he is. Good morning, Bluefin. How are you? Octavio, good morning to you. Welcome everybody over on TikTok. We're talking about Lucid today, an overreaction, and come and join us on YouTube and I'll share with you my position and exactly what I'm doing. And we're also giving away a $1,000 value prize today, very, very exciting, and with $100 cash and over $1,000 of free one-on-one training with our expert Ed Nevius, one of our scalp traders who you can have for free, and we're going to give you the cash to trade with as well. It's free to enter, free for all. You can win with 1 ticket or you can get as many tickets as you want. The choice is yours. Links in the profile, youtube.com. If I'm honest, TikTok isn't really the place for my serious traders investors. We only use it to promote what we're doing here on YouTube, being the second largest search engine in the world. So if you'd like to, if you are a serious investor and serious trader, most on TikTok are just scrolling through looking for naked ladies, look at the link and join us and you will come in. If you do come into YouTube, say I'm from TikTok and I would like to be in your cash prize giveaway. We have giveaways all the time. We're here to help people. And just a little warning, if anyone messages you on TikTok, they're not me. I never message anyone. I never follow anyone. I don't do follow for follow. I only follow my members and subscribers, and I don't message anyone about anything. All right? Okay. I never try to sell you anything either. I just give you things. I like to help people. If you are over on TikTok, come to YouTube and tell me I'm from TikTok. I'll gladly help you. All right. Let's get back to it. Good morning, everyone. Ed Nevius, the Queen of Self-Braiding. Good morning to you. How are you? Lovely to see you. One of our original members, the Queen of Self-Braiding. Hello, ladies and gents. Red or green today? Let's have a look. Hi, Sick 22. There's Mike and Malk UK. Welcome, welcome, welcome. All right. Now, you may have noticed overnight I gave some opportunities to win 20 tickets for free on the giveaway. Remember, you only need one to win. There is the giveaway this morning. I've added three. Three. Is it three or two? Three. Yes, three new opportunities. One is tweet a post on Twitter, obviously. And there we go. Retweet this tweet here. I'll open it up for you. So what you got to do is click on it. You earn the tick when you retweet what's the best car in the world, Tesla or Lucid. We are doing a video this morning all about Lucid and versus Tesla. So if you retweet that, continue, you will earn extra points, extra tickets for that. And down the bottom, leave a precise comment and make sure that you do it properly. People don't read it. Watch this video, there is the link, and leave the precise phrase in a comment, Lucid Dreams. There you go, if you want to win that there. And there was also, which was it? Oh, yeah. How many times do I say Lucid? And it's a hard one. It's not an easy one to do, that one. So I'm giving you 10 tickets if you get that one right, okay? And you have to watch it and count how many times I say Lucid in that video. And that I will give you 10 tickets because it's a very hard challenge, right? Let's see if we've had anybody this morning get their daily bonus. Remember, you can win with one ticket, or you can do as many as you like. 756, there we go. It went up this morning before I started, so I'll come back to that in a short while and see how we're getting on. When is the giveaway? When is the giveaway? It says right on the screen, Bill. Look on the screen here. It says 14 days left. It tells you right there, ends April the 28th. Just got to read it. The information's on the screen. Most people just don't read what's on the screen. Ends April 28th. 2:30 p.m. Central Time. There it is. It's a $100 cash prize plus the training. And there you go. All right. Let's carry on. Jason Fallon is here from Australia. How are you, mate? Hello, everyone, says Dra. Lovely to have you here. T.O. Roll is here as well. Excellent stuff. CLSK Bitcoin miner going crazy past week with 60% gains. Lights F. Thank you very much indeed. I like the music channel playlist. I like the music channel playlist. Rearranged. I haven't done it. What do you mean, Mike? I haven't done anything to the music channel. What do you mean? You want them rearranged? I haven't done anything. Well, what's gone on there? There's the music channel. If you want to support my music, I'm the World Piano Man. If you didn't know, there you go. There's my music channel. What do you mean, Mike? There's been no change to my thing. Anyway, let me know what you mean. Ali Arles, good morning. Good morning, Tuna Sub. Morning. I'm from TikTok, and I'd like to be in the cash prize giveaway. Tuna Sub. Okay, Tuna Sub. There you go. Let's first of all then welcome our guest. Tuna Sub has come over from TikTok. Thank you so much indeed. We're live up to 10 hours a day. How are you? Put your city and country and let everybody know where you're from. I'm from England, even though I'm from Texas right now. So what we're doing right now is we're doing a giveaway. It's a $100 cash prize and 15 hours of one-on-one training to learn all about chart reading, candles, technical with Ed Nevius as a full-time trader, very successful, makes money every morning in our show, and he's offering to give you that. Now, if you don't need the course and you think you know all about it, you can donate it to somebody else. But if you go through the course, at the end of it, you will win he will give you $100. So how do you get in it? Well, we do many giveaways here on the show, and it's always the same place. It's martynlucas.com/giveaway. There you go. There is the page in the chat. And you can win this prize by simply going to that link there and liking something, and you'll get a ticket for free. It's free to enter, free for all. All the information, all the rules are there on the screen. And but if you really want to win the prize and you want to do all of the things, you can do as many as you like. There are currently 29 people in the draw. That's all right. Some people have got one ticket, and some people have done all 25 ways, and they earn more. And all you got to do is, once you've signed in, then it's quicker every day. Every day we have daily bonuses, and what you've got to do is turn all these numbers into ticks, and that will give you. It's like getting a lottery ticket. You can have one lottery ticket, or you can have as many as you want. It's up to you. And the more things you do, the more tickets you get. All right, so there you go. Moving along then. Martin, you sound like you have a sore throat. I do a little bit. It's because I've not had a cup of tea yet. I think the better comparison would be against Rivian. Yes, it is. It is absolutely a better comparison. You're right there. I've actually seen their vehicles on the road in Nebraska. Thank you, LF. T.O. Roll, good morning, Mike. Look like the playlists were rearranged. No, nothing's changed. Queen yourself, Brady, how are you? Okay, I see it now in small font. Didn't have my glasses on. All right, sorry about that, mate. You can always zoom in, look. Sorry about that, make it bigger for you, Bill. Anyway, south coast of England, Ali Isles. Ali who? Here he is. Print it. What? I can't print it and send it to you, Bill. Look on the screen. I don't know where. The information's there and below every single video as well. Hi, Queen. Good morning. Hi, mate. How are you? Our friend from Korea this morning. Let me say hello to. Korea this morning. Okay. Here we go. Let's say hello to Korea this morning. All our friends in Korea, we have lots of. We go out in 13 different languages. So let me say, if you are a member, and tell me your native tongue, and I will send you a greeting in your language. All right, if you are a member, here we go. Good morning and welcome all our friends around the world and in Korea today. We're looking at Lucid. Was it an overreaction? And also still looking at Virgin Orbit.
전 세계의 모든 친구들을 환영하고 오늘 한국에서 우리는 그것이 과잉 반응이었고 여전히 처녀 궤도를 바라보고 있는지 자각하고 있습니다.
Fed Walker longer than expected by the markets. Monetary policy will need to remain strict for a substantial amount of time. That's good. I want that, but that gives me more time to buy in. It gives me more time to earn interest from Robinhood at 4.4%. So that's all good. I like all of that. New Jersey. Welcome to you, New Jersey. I was watching, what was it? Miss Congeniality the other night, and that was with my wife. And that's from New Jersey, right? Ali Isle says to Queen herself, braiding. Good to see you. Happy Friday to you all. Breakfast Bar Eric has something to say. Let me go and have a look. I heard your news, Eric. I'm sorry to hear about your Twitter account. Breakfast Bar this morning. Okay, let me go into the Breakfast Bar on Discord. So let me have a little look here. If you'd like to talk to our family and friends, you can always access Discord. I'll give you the link right now. It's completely free. But if you are a YouTube member, we upgrade your account. We got a brand new sponsor yesterday. Aviation Apps. They are the company that provided the app and technology for Virgin Orbit, and they are now sponsoring our channel. How about that? Absolutely brilliant. And when they come into the show, we'll get everyone to subscribe. The Aviation Mobile Apps, they are the people that make the app for Virgin Orbit, a rocket company. How cool is that? They are our sponsor. Very, very exciting. All right, so let's go over into the into Discord. Look at that. Oh, that looks lovely. Look at Mike. Look at Mike with his mug there. Martyn Lucas mug. Plus that. Oh, look at that bread, the butter, the jam. Oh, love it. Now then, Eric B. My Twitter account was stolen. This is not me. Okay, I have contacted Twitter. Okay, that is not Eric B. Okay. That's why I got verified. I know it's bloody expensive, but that's that part of the reason. Eric B. That is not him. Okay. Not bad looking Eric. Yeah, Eric. Yeah, you look better here though. You might as well just stay this person. Anyway, all jokes aside, security is becoming a major problem. Yes, it is. It's getting worse. It's very difficult for me. I get hundreds of this stuff. I spend a lot of my time just taking care of rubbish. You wouldn't believe it. Have you seen bank stocks are up? Bank stocks are up. Good stuff. I wouldn't invest in a bank though. With the new legislation that will be placed upon banks after the banking crisis recently, I don't see any chance in making any money. Not much anyway. Fed swaps fully priced in quarter point hike by June. Have you seen bank stocks? We just covered that. Yes, Mount, good morning. I am buying XRP, expecting a ruling this month or next. XRP. So, are we buying some more XRP? Ali is obviously, it's part of our crypto challenge. And, here he is. We were just talking about you. Aviation mobile apps. I tell you what, I'm so thrilled to bits to have you as a sponsor of our channel. Because I was telling everybody, because we ranked number 1 for Virgin Orbit, SPCE stock, Virgin Galactic, I'm so excited that that we have you as a sponsor. Bearing in mind you did the app for Virgin Orbit. I think it's just fantastic. I mean, absolutely brilliant. And I don't know if you heard me yesterday, but seriously, if there's any way at all I could do a deal with you, I would love my own app. I know they can be very expensive, and I don't know, but I'd love to hear from you. Who would love the Martyn Lucas app? Who would love it? Just a very simple app, just to say, here's the show, this is what I've got in my stocks. I don't know, something really simple. Anyway, I want to help Aviation Mobile Apps is our new sponsor. It's massive help to the channel. So let's give mobile apps a nice big welcome. And everyone, go and subscribe to their channel. We all do that for our members, especially our sponsors, of course. There you go. Let me refresh it in a couple of seconds. Yesterday, we took it from 42 subscribers to 47. I really want to see it at 50. I really want to see it at 50. We were quite quiet yesterday. So go on. I'll give everyone 30 seconds, and I'll come back to that. I want to see that go to 50. Oh, yeah. Let's do it. So, crypto challenge, we'll discuss that in a second. Hope your back is better. Well, I have 6 bulging discs, and yes, I do need some treatment from time to time. But thanks for asking. Keaton S. Oh my God, Keaton S. created havoc on our show yesterday. Keaton S. said, "I don't like the smash you like." So yesterday on our show, we had, I'm just bringing it up now, we had this poll here running, and because of Keaton S, and you'll never guess what happened. You'll never guess what happened. Everyone got involved. This was the Twitter post. If you want to follow me on Twitter, I've got obviously a verified account, so you know it's the real me. There is our Twitter. Have a little look, follow me, and take part in this. Everyone retweeted it, everyone commented, and I gave you the chance to get rid of smash the like. Well, we had about 15 or so suggestions what to call the new smash the like phrase. Smash the like original came out on top, and then we voted for it on YouTube, and it won again, so it came back. So we nearly got rid of smash the like, but unfortunately, Keaton S, you're going to have to live with it. because I gave everyone the chance and we ended up where we started. I just want to warn everyone. Thank you, Eric. Is Vorb even a company anymore? Let's have a look. Vorb Q. It's now Vorb Virgin Orbit. And there it is. And it has changed. Hang on a minute. That looks different. Look at that. It's all in capital letters. This is Vorb Q. You can close out the position. You can't buy on Robinhood. Robinhood's being responsible. I like that. You can close out your position. It's in the process of being delisted. It's still there. And it's up today. 36% from yesterday. It's just closing out. Don't be daft and go and try and make money on it. I mean, I wish you all the best, but you can't really. But anyway, it's still there. Congratulations, Private. Thank you so much indeed. So let me go up and let me see if our guest came in this morning. We've got new opportunities today to win our star prize. And Aviation Apps as a sponsor. If you'd like to sponsor a giveaway, if you want to, we can do a lot there. It'd be a fantastic opportunity to do that. If you'd like to talk to me about a giveaway, if you'd like to as a sponsor, you can do that. All right, so let's have a quick look. We are now up to 756. I've added another 20 tickets this morning if you want to have an opportunity. 756 is now 762. There you go. Some of you have taken advantage of the new tickets this morning. I've got a really hard challenge. How many times do I say Lucid during the video? Very, very difficult. That's why I'm giving you 10 tickets for it. Thanks for the heads up, Ali. Sensei, Malk, did you see the updates on the challenge? I can't tell you what it is, but let's do it right now. Excuse me, got itchy nose. Ali, as you're here, let me open up the Discord lounge. The broadcast lounge, rather. I don't know if you can call in, but anyway, I'm going to share it on the screen. Here is our crypto challenge. Now, Ali is a sponsor of our challenge. Let me just get to the bottom of the comments, and I'll come right back to that. Can someone answer me this? I have Vorb. Didn't sell them, but the platform has changed my shares from Vorb to Vorb Q. If the company starts up again, no, it won't start up again in this. It will be a different ticker. It's not the same stock. What they're doing is they're transitioning to closing down the company. That's all that's happening. Some brokerages won't even allow you to buy shares anymore. So you don't want to be in that stock anymore. It's shutting down. What will happen, and I've got a video explaining it, and it's been delayed for 3 days now because I keep getting new information adding to it. There will be a new business because they're retaining some of the assets. They will set up a brand new business, just like I did. When I went bankrupt in one night in Vegas, I came back as Martyn Lucas LLC, right? You can come back, but you can't just stay in the stock and think it's going to pop up from here, okay? That's not financial advice. I don't know what's going to happen, but that is my understanding of it. So I wouldn't remain in it. That's if you can get out and take some profits, or if you've gone up a little bit, then that's great. I still have shares, or have they gone now? No, they still exist. They are there on Vorb Q. Is because it's being delisted. You can go in here now and sell. See, you can close out your position, but you cannot purchase. So you can sell your shares. You can sell what's left. If you want to get out and sell it, you can. But you can't buy any more. And that's the right thing. Some stocks, some brokerages are letting it happen. But Robinhood are being responsible there, and I like that. Malk, yes. And Martyn Lucas app. I think that's what you meant. Yeah, it'd be good, wouldn't it? Will you move to a bigger studio after gaining high-profile sponsors? There's nothing wrong with my studio. I'm staying here. I'm going nowhere. This studio was built forever. This is what it's all about. Do you have a link to subscribe to the app? No, I don't. Shall we? We're just promoting the YouTube channel. Shall we refresh it? I hope everyone did it. 47 is now. Please be 50. Please be 50. Come on. 49. Oh, one more. I wanted to get Aviation Apps one more as our sponsor. Come on, let's get him to 50. Let me go. I'll give it you 3 times. I'll give it you 3 times. Let's get it to 50, all right? Hi, everyone, from Zach. We're not that far away from 10,000 subscribers. We can do some big giveaways, some fundraisers soon for our mate in Africa. Malk UK, great, good luck. Mortified, says Keaton S. He didn't get smashed a like. I do think smash a like is naff and unoriginal, to be honest. Well, 22, you had the chance to suggest and vote, and you didn't do either. So there you go, 22. 22 says, I can't be bothered to enter the... Let me just say, 22, before I have my little dig, my little joke at 22. 22 is brilliant. I love 22. Great content every day, great member of the family, great support, brilliant. But he says, I'm not doing the competition. I can't be bothered. It's too hard. And like I said, you can win the lottery with 1 ticket. Now he's going, I don't like the smash to like, but he's the only one who couldn't be bothered to vote on something different. If you want to change the world, change it. Simple as that. 22 just wants to moan about it. Sorry, 22, I couldn't resist that, mate. You had the chance, though, but you didn't vote on it. Anyway, my broker halted buys on Vorb ages ago. Very good, very responsible. Do you have a link for the app so we can subscribe? No, just the YouTube channel. Vorb has gone from E-Trade. There you go. Ali, I was burning up the midnight oil. Dave Mottram is here. I bet you Dave Mottram has done it. Dave Mottram is always taking advantage of the giveaways. It is 50. Just subscribed. Let's have a look. There we go. Let's have a look. Aviation mobile apps. We got you to 50 subscribers in 52. Is aviation mobile apps? Is aviation mobile apps? Yeah, there you go. There we go. We got you up. What was that? 47.10. We got you up about 20%. Yeah, 20%. There you go. We got you up about 20%. Aviation apps. There you go. Oh, there we go. He's in the chat now. Anyway, back to the business. Dave, there he is. I can't wait till I'm 100,000 subscribers, which is less than 2 years. We're on target. Why is my nose itching this morning? I've got dust in my nose or what? Brrr, what's going on? Let me drink some water. That'll fix it. Right. Okay. So if I get aviation apps at 1 million subscribers, he'll build me an app. Got a long way to go, haven't I? Right. He never said that. I just made that up. Right. Back to Lucid right now. Going sideways. What do you think of this? Now then, overreaction. Let's talk about Lucid. Lucid, why did I say it's an overreaction? Why did I say it's an overreaction? Well, let's have a quick look. Like someone pointed out, you should compare it to Rivian, not Lucid, not Tesla, because they are losing money on all their sales. But this is why I say it's overreaction. The market sold off last night, went down like 4%. It went down another few percent after I bought in, which is typical, right? Always happens. But that was exactly as expected because I said I will allocate another 20 shares, bring myself to 100 if it goes down further. So it has. So that's exactly what I'm going to do. I said I would do that. So look at where we are now. Go to Lucid and let me buy Lucid, limit order. Shall I wait till the opening bell? Shall I wait till the opening bell? I said I'd buy it if it went down further, and I'll tell you why I think it's an overreaction. It might well go down, but yeah, okay. All right, here we go. Lucid, here it is. Right now, we're at 763. There is my position. I'm down 4.2. I was flat on it, and then it went down further. So trade, buy, a limit order. A limit order. It's 763 now. So put 766. So it will go at 763. My average is 796. Continue. Extended hours today. Yeah. How many do I want to buy? How many do I want to buy? I bought 80, so I want to buy another 20. That was my allocation. 153. Review. Okay. My average is 4.27. There we go. My average has now come down to 3.34. I'm going to leave it there for the minute, and I will add a bit more, not much more, if it goes down, and that'll be it. And then I will start being able to trim off the top. That's the ideal. Okay. So Lucid. Why do I think it's an overreaction? Simple as this. The markets always overreact upwards and downwards all the time on news. Always. And the reason why I say it's an overreaction is last night, the first quarter deliveries underwhelmed as demand concerns plague the EV maker. So everybody sold off. Which surprised me because they're very aggressive. They're like the BSV, and they're like Mullen, and they're like all these other stocks. They get some of the followers are like a cult following, and I never understand it. But anyway, the CEO in the last earnings report, live on our show, because he's live on our show, right? He said that the numbers would be disappointing in the next quarter. It was no surprise. He knew it. And they were actually better than he said. That's why it's an overreaction. Things will be much better in Q4 this year. So again, the market's overreacted. So if you want to buy Lucid and hold it, then I reckon it's a good investment, because he said that the deliveries would be down, and they actually beat what he said. So actually, it should have gone up, but of course, because the news comes out that the deliveries are disappointing, then everybody sells. So for me, it was an opportunity. I think it's an overreaction. So there we go. And now I have suggested as well about Lucid being bought out by Apple. And that got some controversial comments last night on Twitter. The reason for that is there's been rumors around that for quite a while. And someone said, well, Apple would do it themselves. And no, they wouldn't. Apple wouldn't suddenly start building factories trying to build cars. They most certainly would buy and acquire a car company. That makes every bit of sense. But can you imagine this as the Apple car? I can see it. I can absolutely see it, because the technology and the quality of this thing is really right there. It's better than the Tesla when it comes down to build quality and performance. I can see Apple doing that. So I got a lot of hate on Twitter for saying that, but that's my opinion. So I think it's worth a buy. So anyway, I've just bought it. As you can see, it's going up now. I've lowered my average to 3 down. I'm not buying any more. I don't need to buy any more. Again, it's high risk. It does lose money at the moment. I'd rather buy Tesla, but 100 shares at $7 when it goes to $4. Sorry, $40. Sorry, that's where it belongs. I think at $40 once they get to a year or two from now. I think it's worth doing. So that's all the shares I need. 100 shares of Lucid. All the shares I really need. Anyway, that's my opinion. That's why I said Lucid is an overreaction today. All right, let's read the comments. We're gonna cover Ali Tisro now. Let's have a quick look. Well, you know my stance. Only tossers say smash, so I can't bring myself to ever do it. If you say that, tap the like is much nicer and becoming a fine, upstanding gentleman. I agree with you. I agree with you totally. But this is my audience, right? My audience said I like smash. What's wrong with it? I don't know what else to say. Anyway, but just for you, kindly. As an upstanding gentleman, just for you, Keaton S., would you kindly smash the like button today. If you'd like to be part of our investor club, there you go. That was a little bit from Ali Tisro. Talking of Ali, we're going to cover it right now. Let's have a look. Can I also get some subscribers, Martin? Yes, you can. Yes, you can. Once the bell goes, we'll get everyone to follow you, Zach. Good idea. Remind me in about 10 minutes. In fact, remind me in 20 minutes after the bell goes, okay? I'll do that for you. Lucid is a god, says our friend in Korea. Let me just put that out. I believe Lucid selling was an overreaction. It's a great car, not yet a great company. However, it was oversold last night. We already expected this information and the markets overreacted. I've just bought and I'm holding Lucid.
루시드 판매가 과잉 반응이라고 생각합니다. 아직 훌륭한 회사는 아니지만 어젯밤에 과매도되었습니다. 우리는 이미 정보를 예상했고 시장은 과잉 반응을 보였습니다. 방금 구입했고 나는 루시드를 보유하고 있습니다.
Louis, we got a guest this morning. Louis, where are you from? What city and country are you from? Welcome to you. Let me know and would love to welcome you in. Can't believe I just smashed the like for you. Completely ashamed of myself. Good morning, Ed Nevius. Here he is, the man of the hour. So we're talking about Lucid overreaction this morning. Now, we've got a few minutes. We've been covering Lucid so far this morning, but what I want to do is have Ali Tisro, Sensei. Let's see if he's in the broadcast lounge. No, he's not. So let's have a quick conversation. Our crypto challenge. Now then, Ali is Sensei in the chat. Are you still here, Sensei? Are you still here? Just highlight yourself. This is Sensei's link to the crypto challenge on his website. He is doing all of my crypto. Like Ed Nevius does my scalp trading. I surround myself by great people. That's exactly what I do. Sensei Crypto is in the chat. I'll post it 3 times. There's his Discord link. You can go there and it's a premium service and he will basically take care of all your crypto for you. It'll run off into the dark and you'll never see it again. No, I'm joking. What we're doing is we have a crypto challenge that there are 2. Some people are on 1,000 to 10,000 challenge. Thank you very much, Leah. You're right. Good. And some people are on 7,000 to $100,000 challenge. Now, I haven't got time to research every crypto asset there is. So Ali does it for me. And Ali tells me what crypto to buy, when to buy it, and I simply follow him. Now, you should never follow anyone. That's bad advice, right? However, if you build a team of people, that's exactly what you do once you've got a team of people. Don't just take my word for it. This is what I'm doing with my real money. This is our crypto challenge. We are using Coinbase as it is regulated by the SEC, as it is a publicly traded company. This is what we've done. I put $1,000 in here of my hard-earned money, and we've only invested 40% of it. Well, 45% now, I believe. The rest of it is in USDC, earning 4%. Free money, lovely. Thank you very much. No risk, no drama. The other 45% of it is invested in assets. Now, I can't show you what the assets are, because if I do, look, if I scroll down here and show you what they are, there's no point Ali having his premium service, because he works for you. He's up all night, every day, studying crypto to make you a profit. So he's absolutely brilliant. I've only invested 45% of my $1,000 and I'm up $183. I've never gone down. It's just continually up. Now you might go, what the hell was that dip there? That's when I drew out some money. But my all-time position, look at that. Consistently up. Absolutely brilliant. So Ali will tell me what crypto to buy, when to buy it, when to sell it, and so on. It's a fantastic project that we're running right now. I'm on 1,000 to 10,000, a much safer option. There are others on 7,000 to $100,000 challenge, which is what Ali is on himself. So there you go. If you want to be part of it, there is the link in the chat. Go and check it out. It's a premium service, but as a member of mine, you get a lifetime discount if you are a member of mine. And Ali will offer you a lifetime discount if you are a member. Basically, you'll get my membership virtually for free. Okay, there we go. I can smell toast. Is someone eating toast? I think Leah's eating toast. Anyway, US manufacturing output month on month, actual 0.5, forecast 0.1. US manufacturing output, actual is down 0.5%, forecast down 0.1, previous up 0.1. That is fantastic. Again, bad news. We're celebrating bad news, but right now bad news is good news because we want the Fed to pivot and bring interest rates down, right? For businesses, okay? And mortgages and borrowing money and all the rest of it. So bad news right now is good news. At some point, bad news will be bad news. Right now, it's not. Anyway, there you go, Sensei. Thank you very much indeed for popping in and sharing your link as well. There you go. Brilliant. I've just shared your link that you want me to share on the screen. I'm sure you can see it. Anyway, there we go. So we've got 15 minutes to go. The overall position, let's have a quick look. I did a little dance then. I was like, which way do I go? There is my crypto challenge. Let's have a look at my overall position. Lucid, I just bought some more. Expecting it potentially to go down a bit further on the bell, which is fine. My overall portfolio is going up. My Roth IRA is starting to go up again. And, 52,210. I was at 51,800 a few moments ago. Now, why has that jumped up so much? That's not because I've made a fortune. That was because some money that was coming into my Roth IRA, it doesn't have the $250,000 cash deposit immediate like the brokerage does. There was money coming in that has taken some time to come in from last month's income on YouTube. It took a little while because it only allows you to do, I think, 1,000 at a time. And I'd done that, and then it couldn't release the next batch of money. But that's why that's jumped up from 51,008 to there. So that's why that's jumped up so much. I didn't make any magical money all of a sudden. Anyway, there you go. 52,215. I'd love to tell you that I'm the greatest trader in the world and I just made money without doing anything, but that wouldn't be the case. Okay. Welcome everybody on TikTok. Hey, from Mexico. Got a guest from Mexico. Would you like 15 hours of one-on-one tuition learning to trade and read all the charts and all the candles from my expert, Ed Nevius? And then when you've done the course, would you like a $100 in cash? Well, we're giving that away today on our show for free. You don't have to do anything. I don't want anything from you. Just come into YouTube and say, I'm from Discord and I would like a chance to win that. Hi from Norway as well. Hello from Norway. I've played in Bergen, Solstrand, and all over the place. I love Norway. Come and join me. And if you come on YouTube, I will speak back to you in Norwegian. In fact, here we go. I'll do it for you. I'm going to do something special for my friends on TikTok. Here we go. Here we go. Norway. Hold a second. Stay right where you are. Welcome to my friends on TikTok from Norway. Today I'm giving away a $1,000 value prize. Come into YouTube, links in the profile, tell me you're from TikTok, and I will put you in our free prize draw. Welcome all friends from Norway.
Velkommen til vennene mine på TikTok fra kvelden I dag. Jeg gir bort en verdi på 1.000 amerikanske dollar. Kom inn på YouTube-lenker I profilen, fortell meg at du fra TikTok. og jeg vil ta deg med I vår gratis premietrekning. Velkommen alle venner fra Norge.
There you go. US manufacturing, we've talked about that one, and that was good. US industrial production, month-on-month actual, 0.4%. Forecast, 0.2. Thank you very much indeed for your input this morning. Brit, Mark, everyone okay? Lovely to see our Lego man. How are you, mate? Lovely to have you here. Right, 10 minutes to go before the markets open. Now then. Let's have a quick look. We want to see if we can trim off the top from Lucid as it pops, because it's risky. It's a long-term play, but I would like to be able to get some money from the top as we trade as well. Okay, let's go for our positions. Here we go. We're going to promote one of our members in a minute, and it's Zach from Uganda. He does fundraising, and I'm going to do that in a few moments' time. Let me take you back to the homepage. Now, we're at 51,000. I think it's 200 watch hours now. Sorry, ignore me. 3,200 watch hours on my music channel. We need to get to 4,000. So we're going up every day, nearly 100 a day. There's my music channel. Pick a playlist. Please help me out. I want to get to 4,000. And we are doing a concert tonight, a farewell Virgin Orbit concert tonight. A farewell concert tonight from Virgin Orbit in our show tonight. Hi, I'm from Norway. I'm from TikTok. Yes, come onto YouTube. I didn't say say on TikTok that you're from TikTok. I know you're from TikTok if you're on TikTok. What I want to do is I want to give away today. We've got $1,000 value prize, 100 in cash and $1,000 of training for you, one-on-one, and then a cash prize. To win that, come into YouTube, youtube.com/ at Martyn Lucas Investor, the exact name as it is here on TikTok. Be very, very careful of the scammers that scam you, that message you. I don't message you. I don't sell you anything. I don't want anything from you. I'm on YouTube Live. This is my YouTube show right now. Let me put my channel on the screen. There you go, Martyn Lucas Investor. This is my YouTube channel right now, which is Martyn Lucas Investor. Linked in the profile, or just type it in. All right, come onto YouTube and say I'm from TikTok, and then I'll put you in the draw. All right, we've got seven minutes to go before the bell goes. You will see, there's my channel, Martyn Lucas Investor. All right, I've got to go back to YouTube now, okay? Greetings from Colombia. Tell me your language your language in Colombia, and if you come into YouTube, I'll say hello to you in your native tongue. Okay, here we go. Good afternoon, everyone. So, the S&P, Virgin Galactic. So, Virgin Orbit is now Q, being delisted. Rivian, Tesla. We're looking to buy back a Tesla now. We've got an order at 150. Lucid. We've now got 100. And we're down 3.2. Apple. At the moment, down. Amazon. We're not trimming anymore. We'll buy if it goes down lower. McDonald's, we want to buy it. Let's go back to my Roth IRA. This has to go down to 10% before I can buy any McDonald's. It's way too expensive. Way too expensive. Right now. Coca-Cola, taking a bit of a dip. J&J, okay. Google, Microsoft. Can we look at the crypto markets, maybe both Ethereum? Yes, we can. Walmart, Tesco, Next Era Energy, Enphase, and there is Bitcoin. Bitcoin is down 0.21. Let's go over to the crypto market. Let's have a little look for Ali, wants to know. Here is Here's crypto right now. We can see that, Robinhood has updated its charts now. Bitcoin. Look, we now have advanced charts on Robinhood. There you go. There are the candles on Robinhood. We now have all the different things like the MACD. We can put that on the chart. You can see there. The RSI for crypto. Robinhood's charts are now updated. There is Bitcoin. You can now see we've got much more control over the app. Really, really good. Robinhood just keeps getting better every day. There you go. There's Bitcoin. This is just a quick request for Ali. Ethereum. There's Ethereum for you. And we can go into the advanced chart there. You can see the MAC 50. I can add other things. RSI, MACD. We'll put MACD on the bottom as well. There you go. Pretty good, isn't it? Robinhood, again, come up trumps. Very nice indeed. All right. Now, if you're watching on a big screen TV, that would look great. Okay. Ali, there we go. We've got 3.5 minutes to go. Overall position. Roth IRA. 52.2. Okay. McDonald's at 272 to 278. We want to buy some McDonald's, but I'm not going to buy it until it goes down. Hope that guy with 40,000 VORB took profit yesterday and it went when it went up. I hope so as well, for his sake. Absolutely right. Now then, no one in the breakfast bar. Can everyone do their breakfast bar morning duties, please? Right then, we've got 49 watching, 29 likes. Now, for the benefit of our smash the like guest, for the benefit, would you kindly, Keaton S, would you kindly tap the like button? It really helps if you want to be part of the Martyn Lucas Investor Club. I do like that one from Ali. That was good. So anyway, here we go. We'll put a minute on the clock. We've got time. We've got 49 watching. It'd be absolutely wonderful if you could tap the like button or smash the like button. All right. Are you ready? Let's bring Mr. Mini-Me on the screen. And he's invited one of my NFTs, which you can buy. All my members can buy my NFTs for next to nothing because I want them to own them, because as my channel grows, the value of my NFTs will go up. All right, so let's have a quick look. We're at 53 watching, 1.5 minutes to go before the bell goes, and we've got 30. If we get 50 likes a day, I will do one of my impressions, either Paul McCartney, Elton John, Pavarotti, Frank Sinatra, Richard Marx, Bryan Adams, you name it, I can do it live on the show. There we go, smash the like button to 31. So let's see if we can get a bit higher. There we go. Right, here we go. We're going to count down now, the timer. We're going to count down to 1 minute before the bell goes. Exciting stuff. Let's bring us back onto the main page a minute. Okay, here we go. 1 minute to go. Countdown. Martyn, you have the best channel on YouTube. I can't keep up with everything you have going on anymore. Too many videos. I'll try. Mike, you're doing the best, and I appreciate when we get to 100,000 subscribers or even 10,000 later on this year. It's all down to you, people like you, the family. Really is. It's not down to me. I'm only as strong as as my audience. My audience are very strong, with the highest engagement rate of any channel on YouTube when it comes to live viewers who are members. Here we go. I'm going to count down now. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Right, I said it would go down a bit further, potentially. Let's see what it does. If it's near the support line, by the way. It's very close to its support line. Another 10 cents to go, and it's hitting its support line. So if it doesn't break that, it's more than likely going to go up from here. Anyway, I'm not going to buy any more. I've got plenty of shares. Happy to make money from it. I'd rather buy it at $40 to 100 than 7 to 8, honestly, because then it's making money, and then it's a much stronger company. I'd rather buy it, seriously, I'd rather buy it at $40 with the potential of it going to 100 than buying it at 7 going to 8. It's much more risky. However, we're watching it, and we'll come back to it in a second. Here we go. The overall position is holding. My overall position is looking good. My Roth IRA is going down, only very, very slightly, and that's because of Lucid. Let's have a look. There's the S&P is going up at the moment. That's bringing everything up again. Virgin Galactic, here we go. We're buying it back in at 3. Remember, we sold it yesterday. So let's go to our Roth IRA position and get ready. In fact, I've already got the orders placed. They're already placed. I don't do any emotion or any FOMO. There it is. Look, there's my market shares, 318. We're going to buy it back again in a minute. All right, and we'd scalp it again. Virgin Orbit Q is delisting. So that's what's happening there. Rivian's going down. And Tesla, we're buying at under 177, anywhere around there. I'll buy another one. Let's go to my Roth IRA so I can do it there. Okay. I've got orders placed for everything, all-time lows, like 150s and stuff like that. So Lucid, it's holding. That's interesting. It's not really moving at the moment. That's good. Volume's okay as well. Let's advance it a minute. Let's advance it, have a quick look. It's heading down to the bottom of the RSI. It's not oversold yet, but it's heading there. But what I'm interested in is this support line here. What I'm interested in is this support line. I want to, if it drops down to 770, around that area there. Let me come back out of this a minute and get back to the price. Sorry, hang on, beg your pardon. Ignore what I just said there. I was looking at the wrong thing. Lucid, let me just go back down to the day again. Ignore what I just said there. I got the figure wrong. 759. This is where I'm talking. This is the support I'm talking about. 738, 740, around here. If it breaks this and goes down lower, then we're heading for a new low. But if it stays above there and bounces from there, then good. I'm not going to keep chasing it down like a falling knife. We're not doing that. Lucid. Overreaction. Now, why I say it's an overreaction, the reason why I say it's an overreaction is because the CEO already said that the first quarter would be down on deliveries, and in fact they beat what he originally said in that earnings call. So at the end of the day, the market overreacted. Well, that's why we cover the live earnings, why we're always there live, and we listen in what they're saying and we remember what they're saying. That's very, very important. So when you get bad news, particularly retail investors, which we all are, of course, here, but young investors who just think it's the best car in the world and that's the only reason why they buy it, they suddenly dump it or they short it. It's a lot of shorts on this because they saw the figures come in bad. Well, we already knew they were going to come in bad. They came in better than actually we thought. So at the end of the day, it's an overreaction. Right, we thought it would go down a bit more, and it is. I'm not going to chase it. I've got a bit more allocation left, but it'll have to go down another 5% before I do that. Have you already started believing that charts aren't a load of nonsense or something? No, my position's never changed. I know people like to see the charts and understand what they're all about, but it's not how I invest. Still hasn't changed my opinion. I invest on the CEO, the company, and the balance sheet and the fundamentals. The charts are just for people that like following plans that everybody else is following. I prefer to follow my own plan, but I know many people do use them and whatever, so I show them from time to time. Okay, When are we going to get some support? I hear a fan going. No, you don't. JP Rothschild. JP Rothschild sent me a few comments last night on YouTube, replied to some of my videos. Could you rephrase some of the comments? I didn't understand. You were saying about doing a presentation to Virgin Galactic. I'm doing that. But I didn't understand some of the comments that you made. Could you try and rephrase them? So I can, that's why I haven't replied to you yet. I wasn't sure what the comments were exactly. Lucid, from our friend in Korea, what is going on? CXAI, possibly Holtz, be mindful. This is our Ed Nevius, who's doing our training on, who's giving away the $100 cash prize and the 15 hours of tuition. That's Ed in the chat right now. So let's have a look. We've got another 20 tickets being given away. I think more actually. Is it 25 being given away this morning? I appreciate you showing charts, okay? I will do more for you then. I will do more. There's the giveaway. Let's have a quick look. Shall we see if anybody has provided, done any more entry? 762 is now 821. Some of you have taken up this morning and done those. Now remember, you need to do it properly. Your tickets will be invalidated if you don't read it. All right, watch this video and leave the precise phrase in a comment. Lucid dreams, that earns you 10 points. I believe it is 10 points. Yeah. There was another one, which is how many times do I say lucid? And you have to put a number in there. So if I go say 23, that's the wrong number. All right. And you could be going around all day long. You need to give it a proper go. All right. And there was another one as well. There was a tweet as well. There's a tweet here. This can earn you some points as well. If you retweet this and then click continue. If you just click continue, the tickets will be valid or will be cancelled later on during the day. So it's very, very important. All right. Okay. Lucid. Coming back up again. Use a green screen for your background and show a video. JP Rothschild, I like to do better than a green screen. I like to actually build the studio in real. I think it looks better. Do you not agree? This is my studio, and there's no green screen in here. I can use green screen, but you can. I believe you can build a studio and look better. It takes a lot more effort, a lot more work, but I believe that you can actually do it better without a green screen. But I understand what you're saying. I can show Virgin Galactic behind me as a video and actually put it on the screen on the TV. Anyway, well, I appreciate your support there. Anyway, look at this. We're doing well again today, consistently making money. Let me go over now. I think we're about to hit new all-time highs again. Right. There is my main account, 38.4. There's the Roth IRA coming up. Yes, new all-time highs today, 52,313. Another new all-time high today. Absolutely great. Lucid is coming up. There. Oh, it's coming up quick. It's coming up quick. Oh, my flipping God, this is brilliant. Oh, yes. 52,332. Wow. We're coming up fast. Let's, this is incredible. Can't believe how quickly my portfolio is growing this year. Change of strategy, completely different strategy, and it's working. It's working. Anyway, there's my overall position. The S&P, that's now an all-time high. I have never been up more than 6% on the S&P. I'm up 6.25 now. Absolutely great. Now then, I'd like to buy some more. Not on my brokerage account. Remember, I don't sell my brokerage account. I don't pay any tax on my Roth IRA. That's where I trade. Virgin Galactic. It didn't go low enough. I was trying to buy it at 318. Didn't go low enough. We're still waiting. Virgin Orbit. It's being delisted. Rivian. Down 5.6. I'm buying at 9. Here we go. Here comes the support level, and I'm going to start sharing these charts for you. It seems that you like this. Okay, let's look at the RSI. It's not broken. The RSI. It's not oversold yet. But remember, you can't just use that as a basic trading. You can't make a decision just on that. You got to look at other things as well. Look at the order book. See what's being done there. But again, the order book can be manipulated. We've got a support line here at 13. I'm not buying another EV company. I don't see any point in doing that. Rivian, Tesla, want to buy under 180. Lucid's trying to break out, but it's fallen away again. Let's have a look back here. Let's go to the day position and put the candles on the screen. Let's have a quick look. You can see the buy-in there. It's heading back down towards the RSI, but we're not there yet. Some heavy selling this morning. The volume was high. We did have some buying in this morning as well. Let's go. Apple. Amazon, McDonald's. I want it to go down 10% before I can buy that, and then I'll really will load up on McDonald's. Real estate is where it's at. Fibs or pivot points are good for support resistance levels on fast movers, in my opinion, says Ed Nevis. You'll learn all this from Ed on his training course. Does it seem like trending ticker CXAI got halted as it was up? TO roll. I could review it if you are a member of the channel. JNJ is down 0.2. Google is up today 0.3. Microsoft, Walmart, still too expensive. That's running away. It's good company, but I want to buy it down cheaper. Low volume this morning on Next Era Energy, starting to rise now. I'm up 2.73. Enphase Energy, I'm still down on my main position. Bitcoin is down 0.16. Tilray is up 1.44 today, 1.6. Let's go to the Roth position. That's where we want to look at it. And we are out of the money by 2.99. Robinhood, we've got buy orders at 9.50. SoFi up 0.94. IonQ is down 1.76. Canoe is down 0.8. Ford is up today 0.44. Rio Tinto is down 0.74. Meta is down today as well. Right. Okay. Let's have a little look. We're trying to get some money out of Lucid today because it's an overreaction, and no question about that. Let me just see where we are on the show. 144. This is where I see what people are searching for, what's of interest. 144 people have come through the stream. Thank you to all of you. 7,202, 7,206. That another 4 subscribers this morning. Thank you very much indeed. 44 watching, 38 likes. Has everyone taken part in the giveaway? We've got Joe Biden here. If any breaking news, I'll bring it to you. Anything important in Ireland? Anything on Bloomberg, I'll bring to you as well. There's the giveaway. 821 now. Okay. Anything in the Discord lounge? Nobody online yet. Oh, Fight Channel. This is our Barbie doll channel. There we go. Waffles for breakfast this morning. Lovely stuff. All right. Okay. Now then, we want to come back to Lucid. It is an overreaction, in my opinion. Am I going to buy any more if it continues to go down? Only if it goes down another 5 to 6%, then I will. And then that'll be it. That'll be my allocation done. We're watching it at the moment. The news this morning on Lucid, this was the news that we brought to you. Why I think it's an overreaction is because the CEO already said there would be a a reduction on deliveries, and in fact, it was better than he said in the report. But it got this negative reaction. That's luxury vehicle, electric vehicle maker Lucid said that late Thursday that it produced 2,314 of its Air sedans in the first quarter, but it delivered just 1,406 Airs to customers during the period. Another sign that the company is seeing weaker than expected demand. Wall Street analysts polled by FactSet had expected Lucid to deliver about 2,000 Airs in the first quarter. Lucid shares, again, Wall Street analysts polled expected Lucid. They did. The analysts expected it, not Lucid. This is what I'm saying. Lucid beat what they said what they thought they were going to do, but because the analysts didn't like it, the stock got sold off. You see, this is what I'm saying. Overreaction, in my opinion. Lucid surprised Wall Street in February when it said that it planned to build just 10,000 to 14,000 Airs in 2023, despite having over 28,000 reservations in hand. At the time, CEO Peter Rawlinson said that he believed too few people are aware of the company and its award-winning but expensive electric sedan, a hint that the company may have been struggling to convert reservations to sold orders. That's one thing that Tesla does so well. It doesn't even advertise. It doesn't need to. And I'm now seeing Lucid on TV, and that's where Tesla wins out. Tesla doesn't spend anything on marketing. I think it's something like you can add up all the. I forget what it. There's some equation I read the other day. What was it? I forget what it was now. There was something, but anyway, Tesla don't need to advertise, and that's the trouble. You spend a lot of money marketing on TV. It's very expensive. Anyway, we'll come back to Lucid right now. It's trying to break out. Let's see how it goes. The overall portfolio is looking great. We're up today again. Remember, my overall portfolio is protected by the S&P. We're up at an all-time high, 52,351. We'll be at 100,000 this year. And remember, I only bring in $4 a week. That's it. $4 a week now is my regular payment into my brokerage account. Not my Roth. I'm maxed out. But into my brokerage account, I'm bringing in $4 a week. That's it at the moment. It started at 1 a month ago. I doubled it 2 weeks ago, and now I've doubled it again to 4. And you might go, why on earth? Why just $4? Well, remember, I only have about $5 to sort of $6, $7 a day I earn on YouTube right now. I don't earn that much money. I'm still investing in myself, building the channel, living on near nothing. But what I do have after I pay the internet and the phone bill and everything else, remember, I've got no mortgage, no car loan. I paid all that off years ago. So I can live on near nothing. I'm investing all I can. But the reason why I'm only doing that amount is I want it to be consistent, and I want to know I can always make that with 3 to 6 months of money to pay the bills, which is what's in my brokerage account there on Robinhood. That's my cash. Never spend that. That can go back out to pay bills, but it's earning 4% rather than in the bank earning nothing. And as I can increase it, I will, and I hope to double it every 2 or 3 weeks. As long as YouTube keeps rising, I'll be able to double it. So 1, 2, we're now at 4. The next time I adjust it, I'd like to make $8 a week into my brokerage account. I'd like to do that by the 21st of April when I get paid on Robinhood. Sorry, not Robinhood, YouTube, and to see if I can set that target. But it needs to be consistent. I don't want to start dropping it down 1 month. I want to continually grow on YouTube and then continually put more in. Anyway. Martin, George Semaine, your video is being broadcast today. So yes, that I haven't forgotten that. Will you broadcast the AMV announcement live Monday, seeing as you are a major shareholder? Will you broadcast the AMV announcement live? You mean that the AMV announcement live on Monday? I thought you were talking about the video. The video's coming out that we made. That's coming out later on today. It's about time, Martin. Yes, it is. It's time to go back to Zach right now. Zach knows what I mean. What announcement is that, George? give me the link on Discord. I will set up, as I am a major shareholder in AMV. You're absolutely right. And I will gladly do that, as you gave me a super chat for that. I will gladly do that for you. Absolutely right. So send me the link and I'll set up some event for it. Hello, what do you think about Virgin Galactic? I have stock at 30. I bought at 35 originally. I'm right with you. So I understand exactly what you're talking about. What do I think about Virgin Galactic? I can spend an hour talking about that. I've got to do something for one of my members first of all. Horizon TV. If you become a member to our channel, you notice we have the highest engagement rate of any channel on YouTube when it comes to live viewers who are members. If you become a member right now, I will give you a special gift. I'm not going to tell you what it is, but I promise you, you will absolutely love it. And everybody else knows you will love it. All right? Just trust me. And we aim to be the most honest, real channel on YouTube. I want to do a little bit of a Mr. Beast for you. So all I'm going to say, I'm going to leave it up to you, and I promise you, you will love it. Anyway, I'll let you think about that for a moment. But now I've got to go over to support Zach. Strategic Metals and Minerals mining firm, Premier African Minerals has kickstarted Operation Zulu Lithium Mine. Thank you, Brick Mark. You say the logic of buying new lows, but I'm interested why you don't use the same logic with new highs. Just remember the swings in a bear market can easily fool you into thinking the bottom is past. I agree with that. Okay, I'll put the link in there. Right. Okay, so from time to time, for our members, we like to do something special. And here is the homepage. Here are our members. Silver members and upwards make it on the homepage of my YouTube channel. Here is Zach. Zach does fundraising for people that need support in Africa. Okay, he's on 37 subscribers. Everything that Zach does, here he is, look. Is Zach. He's been a member of our channel. He's in Uganda, Africa. We've done lots of fundraising for Zach. And we've got more coming up later on at the end of the year when I hit 10,000 subscribers, because then I can do a special event. We are doing a live concert tonight as well, by the way, on my music channel. But anyway, there is Zach's YouTube channel. He's only got 37 subscribers. And we do fundraising. He does fundraising. Come on, guys. Every single person now. Let's, I'll give it you 5 times, because I want to go up to, 45 likes. Sorry, 45 subscribers for Zach. I'm going to come back to that in about a minute, and I want to see that go to at least 40. Come on. Let's grow Zach's channel. Let's get the awareness about what he does, Zach, with his fundraising, okay? All right, we'll come back to that in a minute. Right, the portfolio is turning green. Again, what's going up? The S&P is going up, looking very nice indeed. I'm up at the highest I've ever been now on the S&P. It's 41% of my main portfolio. That's why it's protecting my account, and that's where it should be. Virgin Galactic, I'm about to buy some more, and I'll answer the question for our guest if he becomes a member, Horizon TV. Virgin Galactic, Virgin Orbit's being delisted. Rivian is going down again. I'll buy it at 9. Tesla is going up. I'll buy it again at when it goes down. Thank you so much, Brick. We'll come back to you in a second, Zach. Should we have a quick refresh? 37 has now become, this better be 40. Here we go. This is our fundraiser in Africa. 37, 38. We can do better than that. Come on, everybody. Subscribe to Development Alert Uganda. This is our fundraising in Africa. We want to support Zach. We'll come back to that in a second. Lucid. This is what we're trying to make some money on this morning. My overall portfolio is now all-time high on the main account. We're heading up to an all-time high, just a little bit off there at the moment for the Roth. Overall, $52,348. Looking good. That is an all-time high today. We do want to make some money from Lucid if we can. There we go. He's got another subscriber. Are you ready? 38. He was at 37. 38. Can we get to 30? Can we get to 40? And we are now at, come on, 39. He's gone up 2. Brilliant. From 37 to 39. Thank you ever so much. We want to get him to 40, right? We want to get him to 40. We can do that, can't we? Right, J&J, opportunity knocks right now, 165, down 0.25%. I won't bring it up again, Martyn, but I think you should seriously consider taking some profit on the S&P, especially if you are at an all-time high. You would be buying on an all-time low. You would be buying on an all-time low. So use the logic. I understand what you're saying there. I won't bring it up again, Martyn, but I think you should seriously consider taking some profit on S&P, especially if you are at an all-time high. You would be buying on an all-time low, so use the logic. Makes sense. It does make sense. I'm up nearly $1,000 now on the S&P. Mr. Cornwall just subscribed. Thank you, Craig. Let's have a little look. 39. I want to see him get to 40, and then we'll move on. There we go. 39. He was at 37. 41. Yes, we did it. We went through 40. Fantastic. Thank you, guys, very much indeed. Very much indeed. There he is. Bless him. Let's have a little quick listening, shall we? How do I unmute this from here? Oh, I can't do it this way. Okay. There's Zach, look. Brilliant. Nice one, Zach. Got you up there a little bit. And I can't wait till we get 10,000 subscribers. We can do a fundraiser then again. Hi, Zach. Geary, Queen of Celebrating. Good idea, 22. Sell back on the red day. Repeat. Hi, Queen. I don't want to influence you, but I like you to consider it in the same way you consider buying. Rivian. Tesla. We've already trimmed. Remember with Tesla, we buy one. We buy two, we sell one on the scalp. We buy two, we buy one. So I've got no more to sell. I don't want to sell any more, but I do want to buy some more and then sell one. Lucid. It's been going sideways now, best part of the day so far this morning. He is a scammer. He said he had inside information about Virgin Orbit, but it's bankrupt. Who's a scammer? How am I? Are you referring to me? How am I a scammer? And Mike, don't block his comment. I want to set Seongwon O. I'd like to have a conversation with him. Everything here is real and genuine. This is my real shares, my real money. What do you mean I have inside information? I don't have inside information at all. Inside information is illegal. I don't have inside information. What I have is research, publicly available information that everybody has. But I have relationships and I have contacts that I speak to via Twitter and other social sources. But I don't have inside information at all. I just talk to people and do my research. And what do you mean about Virgin Orbit? I've been telling you for days that Virgin Orbit is getting delisted. What is it you don't understand about that? And this is my real money. How can I possibly scam anybody if I've got my real money? I mean, and I'm live every day, and you see everything I do, and you see all my money, and I tell you when I'm buying, and I tell you when I'm selling. What possibly could be more open and honest and transparent with that? So I'd like to understand your comment. I don't want my moderators to block you. I'd like you to come back to me. So I'm giving you the floor. I'm giving you opportunity, even though you're not a member. I'm giving you a minute of my time, which is valuable. I normally spend it on my members. You said you have a relationship with the guy who about to invest in Virgin Orbit. I never said I have a relationship with the guy who's about to invest in Orbit. I said I have contacts who I speak to. I don't have a relationship with anybody. I have research that I do and contacts that people I talk to. And you're talking about Matthew Brown companies who announced to the world, not just me personally, to the world on CNBC, he was going to buy the company, and then he didn't. And if you watch my show every day, you'll know I reported the fact he said that. You'll also know I reported the fact that it didn't go through, and I explained why it didn't go through live on my show. I scalp traded it live on my show. Everyone could see me do it. I warned everybody not to own it. So what do you mean? You're responsible for your own money. You only invest. You only invest $1,000. Why is that funny? Why is that funny? What? So I'm more credit worthy to you. I am more valuable to you. My information is more valuable to you if I irresponsibly invest more money than either I can afford or would unbalance my portfolio. Is that what you're suggesting? You're suggesting that I just spend money I can't afford all over the place just for a laugh to entertain you. And is that what you think? I'm giving you my time, and I'm, trying to learn from you and what it is you have to say. But so far, your points aren't really making any sense. There are people here. We just spoke to Zach from Africa, who doesn't have millions of dollars. He spends his time fundraising for those, who need money. And he would love to invest $10 in Virgin Orbit. So is he less important because he doesn't have as much money as you? And of course, we don't even know how much money you have. You're not even a verified user. You could be a 10-year-old kid in your back bedroom. We don't know. But I am giving you my time. Yes, Matthew Brown, you said you contacted him. Yes, I did, live on the show. I contacted the Matthew Brown companies. I shared with you the text. I shared with you the fact that the text was received. You saw it read on the show. Yes. And I shared all the information I had with everyone. How on earth is that a scam then? Tell me. Because I've given you enough airtime now. And so far, you're not really saying anything that makes any sense. So I'm going to wrap up unless you have anything else you want to add. Yes, less important if you invest. No, it's not. It's not less important at all. No, it's not. If someone's only got $10 and they invest all their money, they are just as important as you with your millions of dollars, assuming that you have millions of dollars. You probably have none at all, but assume you do. Why is that less important? Why is someone's information less important because they haven't got as much money as you? I don't know why that would be the case. I think information is information, whether it's backed up by millions of shares or $1. The facts are the facts. What difference does it make? Anyway. Moving on. The S&P is up today 0.33. Virgin Galactic down 0.87. We're waiting to buy it at waiting to buy it at 318. Virgin Orbit. This is something I'm really 22. Have you got any thoughts on this? Why is this stock still moving? It's been delisted, and it's still going up. I don't understand why it keeps popping up. Remember, most brokerages don't allow you to buy it now anyway, so you're stuck with it. I don't see why this is continually moving. Perhaps someone else could offer some light on that. Maybe Sengon 10 knows the answer to that. Tesla. Lucid. We're trying to break out. It's just struggling though, isn't it? At the moment. Let's go back to our news a minute. Let's see if we've got any breaking news from Bloomberg. Nothing there yet we want to share. Anything from Sky News? No, nothing there. Not sure, but I read they were going to appeal the delisting. Yeah, I read that as well, and the information that I had, it was not going to go through. It doesn't matter if you appeal it; it's not going to go through. Hence why Robinhood and other brokerages have stopped trading on it. I reckon someone has bought it. You think? I mean, it's just a gamble, isn't it? You're just guessing. I mean, we're all just guessing. As I understand it, the queue is because it's being delisted. Why would you invest on a stock that's being delisted? And remember, you can't even buy it anyway. You can only sell your position. I don't understand it, if I'm perfectly honest. But we're learning all the time. We'll see what happens. I reckon someone has bought it. That's what Mr. Cornwall says. The overall portfolio just going down slightly. S&P. Virgin Galactic, 318. That's where we're going to buy it. It's not where it is. Another 20 cents. Your guess is as good as any other person. Yeah, I mean, there is no information, is there? Rivian. Tesla. Morning, James. Good morning, James. How are you? Still going sideways here. Nothing has gone cheap enough, and nothing has gone profitable enough to sell or buy this morning. We're waiting for some direction on Lucid. It's not coming yet. What we want to do today is trim off the top. We want to buy some more at Tesla. We want to trim off the top from Lucid if we can get a pop. It keeps trying to move. Let's look closer on the chart and have a little look. The RSI there you go. It went slightly below the oversold, but a real oversold position is sort of right down here. Well, you can't see that, sorry. Right down here, right off this. You don't just want to say an oversold is just off the chart. You want to come right to the bottom. And remember, the chart in itself doesn't tell you whether it is oversold. You need to have more information than that. Apple, Amazon. I don't see any opportunities yet. McDonald's is taking a bit of a dip, but not much. NASDAQ was launching delisting proceedings as a result of Chapter 11, insisting that the company is not compliant with listing rules as it is not yet filed its annual result for 22. NASDAQ informed the company last week that trading in its stock and warrants would be suspended from Thursday. Yeah, that's what I read. That's what I read as well. With any appeal of the decision still likely to see the stock suspended unless the appeal is successful. Yeah, that's where it is. And the appeal apparently is very unlikely. So the odds are, I mean, it's just gambling right now. If you just think it's going to get an appeal, I mean, it's not. Again, I would rather invest. I'd rather buy Virgin Orbit at $20 a share if it's now profitable and doing all great business and has potential of growth. Obviously, why would you? It'd be better to buy at $20 a share with the knowledge that it's extremely likely to go up to $100 or whatever it might be. Wouldn't you rather do that? Wouldn't you rather buy a quality stock with a good business balance sheet and contracts and so on, rather than something you're hoping is going to win an appeal from being delisted, bankrupt, run out of money? I mean, that's just gambling, isn't it? But, you know, some people like that. And there you go. Virgin Galactic, 336. We had people today, yesterday, every day last week, come on, tell me there's going to be a flight. Well, I said to you there was no confirmation of that. Certainly not showing up here in the stock price, is it? 337. It's bouncing again. I suppose the value of the VORB-Q shares are determined by what they can get for the assets when sold off separately. I agree. S&P now dropping. Yep. Now, when you said some moments ago, why don't you trim off the top? Why don't you sell some S&P? I've not really replied to that for the last 10, 15 minutes. I've been thinking it over while I've been doing everything else. I've been sort of compartmentalizing, or whatever it is, part of my brain thinking about it. The reason for that is my portfolio, the success of my portfolio right now is the balance of the portfolio. It's risk management, what's in my portfolio, what I'm doing with my money as a balance, right? I have already, like Apple, I have already trimmed and taken some money off the table from the S&P. That doesn't mean to say you can only do it once. I know what you're saying, but I've already watched the S&P go up, return me a profit, take some profits off the table and trim it. So I've taken money out of it. So I can afford for it to drop back down again because I've already taken money off the table. Now, you might say, well, you've got 41 shares, you've got 42%. At one point, it was over 50% of my portfolio. It's now 42 because I trimmed. I've always taken some profits. I think for the stability of my portfolio, it should be about 40%. I think it's the best asset you can buy. You know, it's far smarter than me. I don't need to time the market. I don't need to stock pick. I'm doing that with my other stocks. I think the success of my portfolio and the consistency of it is because I own the S&P in such a large amount. I've already taken some profits off the table. And when I take profits off the table, I don't like to take any more until I've had the opportunity to buy some lower and then trim again. So again, what I like to do is buy two and sell one, buy two and sell one. So I'm always increasing my amount. The balance of the allocation percentage-wise always remains about the same. I don't want to overbalance or overweight my portfolio. And I want to add more shares, but I've already trimmed. And even if the S&P goes down or sideways when I could have made money, I can just continue to add. Because at the end of the day, I think my portfolio bottomed in December. So far, that's been proven to be correct. I also believe that, well, we all know the inflation is coming down. We all know that CPI data was better than anticipated, and the jobs today and everything else came in better. Things are going in the right direction. We also know that the markets are 6 months ahead of the economy. We all know that. And so for the benefit of a few trades here and there, then I think it's not too bad to hold it. Now, that's always open for discussion, and I take what you're telling me, good advice. So anyway, that's how I feel right now. And if I look back at the 5-year chart, and we know that every 9 years, historically, the market doubles, historically. And we've had this downturn since 2021, November 21. It's had a long, it's like we've had a bear market for a reasonable time. And now we're going sideways. If we do go into a major crash, fair enough. But I'm not sure that's going to happen. I think we may have hit bottom and we could go sideways for a bit, allowing me to just keep buying, keep lowering the average if I can. And of course, I earn the dividends from owning it as well. I don't see, it's not screaming at me to say, sell it. Anyway, cut the monkey loose and move on, says JP Rothschild. But that is VorbQ, OTC, not Vorb. Aviation mobile apps, what do you mean? VorbQ, this is what we understand it to mean. And aviation is one of my sponsors. Aviation did the app for Virgin Orbit. Aviation mobile apps. Do you know what VorbQ means? We understand it, and tell me if I'm wrong. VorbQ has changed ticker because it's being delisted. That's what the Q stands for. Is that correct? That's my understanding of it. It's not a new company. This is the same company. Now, it was suggested that the company would be delisted, finish, close down, assets be sold, a new company would be formed, and it would appear as another ticker, as another business. VorbQ isn't that, is it? VorbQ isn't the new business, is it? VorbQ is the delisting process business, if you like. That's why it's not available to buy on most brokerages. This is not the new ticker for a new company. If it was, it would have an IPO, it'd be public again, and it would start all over again. It isn't, is it? So it's VorbQ, but it's the same company going through its delisting process. So if I'm wrong, or you see it differently, tell me. I know why you don't want to sell. You think it's going higher. It makes sense. I'm just asking you to consider areas where you may sell. Makes sense. And I do want you to keep, coming back to me on it. If it shot up 100% now, you'd sell. So the answer is somewhere between here and there. Of course, you're absolutely right. Because historically, 10-15% is what we get a year on average. So yes, if it went up 100%, of course I would sell. You'd be bonkers not to. You're absolutely right. So you're right. Some point between here and there. If you think taking away shares by doing this is raising the price of Virgin Orbit, so instead of, hang on, JP Rothschild, let me read this out. I think you're taking away, hang on, JP Rothschild, I think you're taking away shares by doing this. It's raising the price of Virgin Orbit. So instead of 100 shares now, it's 75 shares, changing from 0.6 to 0.45 cents. I think you're taking away shares by doing this. It's raising the price of Virgin Orbit. So instead of 100 shares, so what you're saying is they are doing the opposite to dilution. They are buying back shares, removing shares. I mean, you can't remove shares, but you can buy back shares. That's the opposite of dilution. Is that what you're suggesting? Are you suggesting that someone is buying back the shares so there are less shares? That is the opposite of dilution. That could be possible. We will hit a mild recession later this year and people will take profits to make sure they have their rainy day funds ready. James, good one. Yes, correct. But you can still buy on the OTC market. Just tried on E-Trade and it let me buy 10 shares. Okay. Just wanted to see if I could. Okay. Virgin Galactic, 2.86 down. We're looking for 318. Virgin Orbit. Rivian. Tesla. Lucid. Just going sideways, really. Apple. Amazon. Yes, this is exactly what's going on because I think someone else owns it now. Well, the only way we can find that out, of course, is the SEC filing. And myself, and I'm sure many of you here the same, you've registered to receive the SEC filing when it gets published. I've got that. You've got that, I would imagine. Just sign up for it on Virgin Orbit's website. And if we get that information, then we'll share it, right? Google. Microsoft. No real opportunity just yet. Nothing low enough to buy. Enphase. Bitcoin. Tilray. Robinhood. SoFi. IonQ. Let's do day trader of the day so I can get off. I've got some things I have to do, and I've been trying to do it for days. I keep going on longer on my shows. So let me close down the broadcast lounge on Discord. That's now shut down. That's done. BBBY, not low enough to buy. I don't know. Let's wrap up our show this morning because I've got things I desperately need to do today. I've got a mug to do for Sensei, and I've got Mike's mug to finish. I've got videos to produce. I've got George Semane's video to get out. Water dancing time, not today, no. I've got to catch up. I've got so much stuff. I go live too much, and I need to trim back going live, but I do enjoy it. Do you have any riot? No, I don't, George. Virgin Orbit. Rivian. Tesla. Lucid. Still not really doing anything, is it? The Roth is down now, 0.83, 52,000, 52,021. Not going to chase it down. It's not actually Lucid that's doing it. Lucid hasn't really moved very much. If we look at my Roth IRA, we can see it's J&J giving back the gains we've had. Coca-Cola, VU, you can see it. Tesla, Coinbase giving something back. Amazon, Tilray, Mullen, Enphase, Robinhood. Opportunity to buy Robinhood soon. So it's not Lucid that's bringing my portfolio down today, and that's good. That's how it should be, which means it's not overweighted. It's not unbalancing my portfolio. It's neither affecting it either way at the moment, which is good. Great show today. Good energy. Thanks so much. You're very welcome. And my absolute pleasure. So, there's two things to mention. First of all, we're having a concert tonight in my music show. If you want to receive the announcement when I set up the show today, after the closing bell, I'm doing a 30-minute live concert. It's a farewell to Virgin Orbit. There it is. There is my music channel. If you click subscribe and ring the bell, and this is the best way of doing it, I'll explain right now, you'll be notified when I go live tonight. It's a farewell concert to Virgin Orbit. All right, so here we go. This is how you do it. You click subscribe and you can go and check this. Make sure that you've turned on the notification bell and set it for all. What that does is when I go live, same on the investor channel, all right, you will then see that the bell is turned on, and that way you won't miss it when I go live, all right? Okay, There's the Martyn Lucas Music Channel. You can do the same for this channel. That way you don't miss anything. And then all you need to do then is turn on your notifications in your device to make sure that you receive it. All right, let's do day trader of the day as well. Before you leave, sing Sergeant Pepper's Lonely Hearts Club Band. JP Rothschild, you're not a member of mine. If you're not a member, I can't do requests for you. It's a members only perk. It's something that my members are members for with my impressions. I can do Sir Paul McCartney and I can do Sergeant Pepper right now, but you need to be a member. But I will sing it tonight in my music concert, and that is tonight if you want to join me for that in the after hours. All right, there's the membership invitation. Now then, just before I go, we'll do Day Trader of the Day. Here is the giveaway. If you've not yet taken part in our $1,000 value giveaway, there it is. I'll give it you 3 times. We've got more opportunities today to win. Remember, you can win with just 1 ticket. Let me see if it's gone up today. 821 tickets now. Remember, you only need 1. There are only 29 people who are doing it. So, no, it hasn't moved in the last hour. Okay. All right. Let's do Day Trader of the Day. I've given you the music channel, right? So you can join the party tonight. There you go. I'll give it you twice so you can see it. There you go. And let's do Day Trader of the Day. So I'm down at the moment. I think it's going to bounce back in a minute. I think we're going to be all right. I think we'll be green today. Down 0.62. Down 0.62%. I'll put a minute on the clock when the first person posts. Virgin Orbit bankruptcy, indeed. Daily reminder that XRP risk to reward on the market. I wanted a settlement last year, but we're in deep bear market. If they win now, the price increase will be even better. As we are more bullish. So, Sensei is giving you his tip. It's already part of our crypto challenge, of course. You may be involved in that, but if he's just giving you a general tip here. If you want to buy XRP, now might be the time. Okay, so here we go. Minute on the clock. I'm down 0.62, up 0.78. Fight Channel goes into the lead. Did you see my comment? Yep, I just read it out. Down 0.43, up 2.5. Sensei goes into the lead. George is up 3.59. George, I don't think he's a member of the channel though. Down at 0.23. Yes, he is. George is a member. So George is in the lead right now. 3.59. Brick Mark is up 1.08. Looks like the winner is going to be George Otterty. Congratulations to you. George Otterty, 63 days to go for 1 million views. We're still on target. Can you believe it? 1 million views. 1 million times people have seen me go, hello. All right. So anyway, George Otterty, congratulations to you. You are our winner this morning. Thank you so much indeed. Give him a thumbs up. And there we go. Congratulations, George. Now, my priorities this morning, I've got some videos to do. I've got, thank you for tapping the likes, by the way. It really helps the channel when you do that. See all the hearts coming up. Look, that's just me tapping it to show you. In the chat, you can tap likes and stuff. It's like doing it on TikTok. It actually gets you more engagement. So YouTube are supposed to share it out. That's what apparently is alleged to happen. There's no actual, book that says yes, it does. Anyway, but some YouTubers, of course, will tell you, oh yeah, because they make new videos on it saying this is what it does, and of course everyone watches the videos because everyone thinks, oh, this person knows. They don't know. They don't know. No one in YouTube has ever made that statement, but they say it, and of course because they say it, People think it's a great way to get more views, so they watch their video. They get more successful because they're saying something that everybody wants. It's just supply and demand. People are hungry to make money. They're hungry to get, information that is easy for them to grow. So they'll watch it, and that YouTuber then becomes successful making a video about tapping the like button. And in reality, they're just guessing. But it looks like they're right because they're so successful because everybody watches their video. It's ridiculous. It's like a loop, just keeps on going. It's like a spiral. Anyway, Ed Nevius, congratulations, George. Brilliant. All right, time to get out of here. The portfolio is starting to come up a little bit. Let's have a little look. Yep, starting to come up a little bit. So hopefully you'll join me tonight for the farewell tour concert for Virgin Orbit. The Roth IRA is coming up. Crypto. Overall balance 52,051. So looking good. S&P. Virgin. Didn't quite hit the lows. Got close. 334. It's not close enough. I'm looking at Virgin Galactic. Rivian. Lucid. Trying to break out. It needs to get past this point here. If we look on the chart, it needs to break above this line here. $750, $759. We can break above there, then we might have some movement, all right? Okay. I'm going to go. Thank you very much, everyone, for tuning in. Smashing the like button, tapping the like, whichever way you like it. But it's now time to roll the credits. I think we might have some credit today. No, I don't think we will, do we? We didn't have any super chats today. Let's have a quick look. Stars of the show. I don't think we did. No. No point rolling the credits today. Very, very quiet. No new members, no subscribers today. So not much to celebrate on the credit-wise. All right. Lucid isn't really giving up any more. It's just going sideways now. That doesn't mean to say load up even more and lower the average. I've got enough. I'd rather own Tesla than Lucid. I'd rather own a lot of things actually rather than Lucid. I'd rather own the S&P. So I don't want to just load up and then get stuck in a stock that keeps going down. Doesn't matter how good I think it is. It doesn't sell enough cars and so on. Virgin Galactic. 318, maybe it will go through. Oh, it's dipping now. There we go, look. I'll start buying it again at 318, $3 around that sort of price. Remember, I've got my main position as well. This is just my brokerage position. Okay, guys, I'll see you all back in a bit. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you for being here. And that's it from me this afternoon. We do have today the Virgin Orbit farewell party on today coming out, so join me for that. And otherwise, Virgin Galactic's 333. It's taking a bit of a dive. We'll keep our eye on it. Thank you ever so much indeed, guys. See you all back this afternoon for the closing bell and our party afterwards. As always, take care of your money, take care of your crypto, take care of yourselves and each other. Bye-bye.